Good afternoon, everybody. It is Saturday, January 16th. Working on the train, getting ready to put the gas tank back on. Kind of cleaned it off, cleaned the inside out, blew it out. Unfortunately, I was unable to find a factory or OEM replacement fuel strainer for the tank. So what I have came up with is a small Wix filter that is made for gas or diesel. Part number is 33007. And what I am going to do is splice this into the fuel line. That way I can monitor the contamination that's in the tank. I'm probably going to mount it. Let me show y'all. Sorry for the noise. Okay, that is the location where the tank actually goes. This is my line right here. Uh-oh, leaking fuel. So, you can't see the exposure. Anyway, they connect from the factory plastic line. They connect to a rubber line right here. So I'm only going to put the filter obviously on the intake side and not the return, which is probably this bigger one. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, so I'll probably just splice it right there. That way I can just peek under here, get a visual of it. I'll check it about every month. I'm new to diesel, so all this shit is new. It's exciting and new. And I'll probably do a full rundown and tour of up underneath of everything. That's my hydraulic hose coming from the hydraulic tank, which is right there. Of course, my high pressure line right there going to the hydraulic pump that's belt driven, and of course it's up on the front. Yep, it's an old beast, workhorse, 1990. Big ass monster now. Yep, so that's what I'm taking on today. Just gonna throw this tank back up, mount everything back up, and then I will splice the line to put this filter in, and I have a customer. Sorry about that. Our shop used to be Discount Auto Glass. Now it is Autotech. One day I'll do a tour of the shop after I get it organized. That's the guard dog, Deja. Hey, baby girl. Hey. She wants to turn a wrench so bad. You want to turn some wrenches? Huh? You want to get the train going so you can ride in it? Just like on TV. Sneak peek at the engine again. I got the injection pump off. I'll be replacing all the injectors and the new injection pump. Yep. Hopefully I'll get everything squared away. I don't know if you all can see all of the trash and debris. Oil leaking. Let me shine some light on the issue. Yeah, there you go. There was a rat's nest right here. Had all kind of damn newspaper and shit hanging out of it. I'm probably still living in there. Probably why the damn dog stays barking. But yep, this is it. This is my baby. Hope y'all enjoy the video. I'll try to do things. When I tell you I'm not a diesel mechanic, I'm just making these videos to share my experience and stories. So if you got anything fucked up to say about anything that I'm doing to this truck, I'll take it with a grain of salt. If you have any positive suggestions though, I'm all for it, because I am not a diesel mechanic by any means. Hell, I'm not even a mechanic. But this truck right here, this is gonna be my livelihood. So I'm all up for suggestions. You can hit me up, message me. I love chatting, I love learning new stuff. This is what I plan on doing for the rest of my life. So, guess I'll get with y'all later. If I have any issues, I'll probably record them too, just to ask anyone for advice, suggestions. Anyway, y'all have a blessed day. See y'all next time. Peace.